Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to channel for the world's most exciting machines. Today, we're stepping into the future to explore one of the most mind-blowing innovations in luxury travel. The 2025 Amazing Luxury Futuristic Bus. This isn't your average tour bus or motor coach. It's an ultra-modern, high-tech masterpiece designed to redefine the way we experience road travel. So let's dive in and see what makes this futuristic beast so special. First up, the design. Feats. First glance, the 2025 luxury bus looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. With its sleek, aerodynamic shape, minimalist body lines, and LED lighting that flows like digital veins along the exterior, it turns heads instantly. The entire frame is built from lightweight carbon composite materials, not just to make it look cool, but to improve fuel efficiency and reduce drag. And yes, it's not just electric, it's smart. This bus is powered by a next-gen hybrid electric drivetrain that allows for zero-emission travel in cities and powerful cruising on highways. Paired with regenerative braking and solar roof panels, it's not only luxurious, but environmentally conscious too. Now, let's step inside. This is where things get truly next level. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by a fully automated sliding glass door. And inside, you're not just in a bus. You're in a luxury suite on wheels. The seating area feels like first class on a private jet. Think individual, fully reclining leather seats with massage and heating functions, customizable lighting, built-in infotainment screens, and wireless charging pads for every passenger. Above, a panoramic smart glass roof lets you control how much light enters the cabin. Want a full view of the sky? Done! Need privacy or shade? Just tap the touchscreen. And speaking of technology, this bus is packed. It features facial recognition for boarding, biometric security systems, voice-controlled settings, and AI-assisted autopilot. There's even a predictive climate system that adjusts temperature individually based on where you're sitting. Moving further in, there's something you don't expect on a bus: a luxury lounge. That's right. This area includes a full minibar, digital touch tables, and a virtual reality zone where you can game, explore destinations, or even take virtual tours while you're on the road. And for business travelers, there's a private glass-enclosed meeting pod. Soundproof, with high-speed satellite internet and built-in video conferencing tools, so you can host a meeting while cruising at 70 miles per hour. The 2025 Luxury Futuristic Bus isn't just about luxury, it's about redefining the very idea of travel. Whether you're going cross-country or using it as a mobile office, this bus transforms every mile into an experience. So, what do you think? Is this the future of road travel? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this futuristic ride, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more jaw-dropping vehicle reviews. Until next time, stay curious, drive smart, and ride in luxury.